Okay, next question. We'll try the third question, students. Also, we'll do the third one. Tan square 60 degree plus 4 cos square 45 is secant square 30. Yeah, Kia, try this question. Third question.
Yes, sir.
And Delisha, I taught you how to write the tables, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Practice the table, students. In exam, you won't get. They won't give you the values, and it is very difficult to remember. Without writing the table, it would take a lot of time. So as you'll practice next year, even next year, you'll have the same concept, trigonometry. By next year, you'll can memorize the values. Okay, how many questions did ma'am solve? Did ma'am start this exercise 20B in your class? Yeah, Ananya, why are you late?
So I tried joining Trigo Revision.
No, 11 o'clock the class starts. You tried just 2 minutes back, right?
So no, sir.
Yeah, I got notification. 2 minutes back you tried, it was denied. Why didn't you join at 11? Completed all of you all? Are you all trying this? What's the value for 60 degree students? Tan 60,
Three.
root 3 the whole square plus 4 into cos 45. Cos 45 is 1. 1 by 3? Sorry, 1 by root 2, right?
Yes, sir.
1 by root 2. Sec 30.
By
See, sec 30 is nothing but reciprocal of cos 30. Cos is root 3 by 2, so this is 2 by root 3, the whole square, plus 5. How much is cos square 90? 0. 5 into 0 is 0. This one gets, this becomes 0. Cosec 30 degree, how much is cosec 30 students?
two.
2. Cosec 30 is sec 60. And sec 60 is reciprocal of cos 60. No, cosec 30 and 60. How much is sec 60? Again, 2, right? 2.
Yes, sir.
Minus tan. Which question is this?
No, sir. Minus cos square.
Okay, minus
Yes,
cos.
sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Cosec. Tan is correct. 4 cos. Okay. That tries. See, most of these exercise students, just check all the questions. Aren't they same? You have to just put the values, right? Check all the questions. Okay. This entire main is only values. You have to substitute the values. Okay. How much is cot 30 degrees? Cot 30 is tan 60. Is it root 3?
Yes, sir.
Root 3 the whole square. That's it. So first exercise was using formula, ratio formulas. Second exercise is only tables. And from tomorrow onwards, I won't send message in the group, students. I won't tell you total. 11 o'clock I'll start. I'll record the class. I'll record the class and I'll send you all. If you'll join late, you can just go through the recording. Even if you're absent, you can go through the recording. So 11 o'clock the class starts. At 11:15, 11:20, try joining. A students done. What is root 3 the whole square? 3 plus 4 into half plus 4 into 3.
4 by 3.
Then denominator
4 minus 3.
4 minus 3 is 1, right?
Yes, sir. That's all.
4 minus 3 is 1.
1 minus 3.
What 1 minus 3? Delicia, 2 plus 2 is 4, Delicia.
Yes, sir. 4 minus 3.
Hmm. Or shall we write 1 minus 3?
What, sir?
Oh, okay. Then numerator Okay, what do you get for this students? 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 4 by 3 divided by 1. 1 you just ignore. Take LCM for this.
15 plus 4, sir.
15 plus 4, 19 by 15 plus 4, 19 by 3.
3.
Or if it's a mixed fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. 19 by 3 is the answer. Did all of you get 19 by 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, up to, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. 19 by 3. Up to here it's fine. It's easy. Only this one question was lengthy. So which one was that? Which one was lengthy? Last week we did that, right? Second main. I sent in the group. Which question was that? Second main, third or fifth one? Cos 0. Okay, second main, third one. Mark this second main, third one as important. This answer is there in the group, students. Just go through that. Only that was lengthy. Other things, other questions are fine. Up to question 4 we have done. Fifth main. Now look at fifth main. Verify each of the following. Yeah, Kia, from how many accounts are you logging in?
Sir, I'm logging in to my laptop, sir.
Okay, look here. Fifth question, students. Fifth question, sine 60 degree into cos 30 minus cos 60 into sine 30 is equals to sine 30. Left hand side we have a value, right hand side same question, everything is same. Okay, try this question. How much is sine 60? Ananya, Angel, sine 60.
Root 3 by 2.
Okay, root 3 by 2 into Angel cos 30.
Root 3 by 2.
Same, root 3 by 2 minus cos 60 is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. And how much is sine 30? 1 by 2. Try this, complete the students. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Okay, anyways, I have done 3 minus 2 is 1 by. Okay, we have gone wrong here. It should be 1 by 4. Actually, 1 by 4. Fifth main, third question for homework.
Which means, sir?
Fifth main, third one. Okay, till fifth main, they didn't mention the value, student. They're directly given. From sixth main onwards, they'll mention alphabets. Value of A, B, you have to substitute the degrees. Yes, students completed. And with this,
Yes, sir.
Delicia Ruth done. Angel Ananya completed. So left hand side 1/2 and 1/2. Fine. Today we'll do sixth main clear. Sixth one. See, sixth main value of A is given. Sixth main first one is for homework. Sixth main first question homework. Second question we'll do the second. Cos 2A is equals to 2 cos square A minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square A. Okay, tell me, how do you solve this, students? A is missing here. What is the value of A in the question? What is the value of A? What is given in the question? Look at the sixth one.
30.
Okay, Ananya, from where did you get 30, Ananya? No, not Ananya. Who told? Yeah, Angel, from where did you get 30?
I thought it was the same question.
No, sixth question, sixth main first one. Okay, I thought it was Ananya. What is A given? What's the value of A? A is 45 degrees. So you have to substitute 45 here. 5, 45. See, concentrate, students, you all don't even know which sum I'm solving. Sixth main first question, Angel.
Sorry, you said second question.
Sorry, second question, not first one, second question. Sixth main, second one. First one I have given for homework. First one homework, and how many mains? 15 mains are there. Tomorrow we'll complete it. Tomorrow we'll complete this. For today, this is the last. We'll revise from the previous chapter. This is sixth main, second question. And 1 minus 2 sine square A is given. Sine square 45. See, everything is same except one alphabet. They'll give you one alphabet and the value will be given. Now multiply this. Let me do. Don't do it. Cos 2 into 45. Tell me the answer, students. What is 2 into 45? 90 degrees is equals to 2 cos square, here 45 as it is, minus 1, 1 minus 2 sine square 45. What is cos 90? What is cos 90 value? 1. Check. Check the table. Cos 90. Sorry, 0, 0. Cos 90 is 0. Next, cos square 45. 1 by root 2 the whole square is equals to 1 minus 2, 1 by root 2 the whole square. Everything is the same except the substitution. A, B, C, they'll give you any alphabet. You all have to substitute. So there are 3 equations, student, 3 questions given. All 3 should be equal. Look, 0 is one question. This is one part. And this one. Total, there are 3 questions. Yes, complete this. Two into 1 by 2 is equals to 1 minus, again 2 into 1 by 2. Yes, Ania, why are you late?
Actually, they wanted to go with her, sir. So I had to take the other phone.
Okay, and you have 3, 4 questions.
2 and 2 get cancelled?
Yeah, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. In both 2 and 2 will get cancelled, students. It will get cancelled. Anya, from 11 o'clock, the class starts at 11. Okay, from tomorrow, yeah, try to log in on time. You don't have your own device, phone, or
No, sir.
fine. Anyway, I've recorded this class, Anya. I've recorded. I'll send you all the links, students. I'll upload on YouTube. I'll send the link. You go through the first 40 minutes class. Okay, I think we did around 4 or 5 questions. Anya, I'll send you the link. Complete that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Because even I'll forget, students. I don't know how many questions you all miss. Each one are joining late. So better I'll record the class. If you're joining late, just go through wherever, whatever questions you all missed, go through that. Completed all of you all? All three are zero, right?
Yes, sir.
Zero. So sixth main second I did. Sixth main first one you'll write for homework. From seventh main we'll continue tomorrow. From seventh main now we'll revise rational numbers. Third exercise. Okay, Ania, up to six mains we have done. I think around 4 or 5 questions today. Go through the recording later. Next, rational numbers.
Okay, sir.
Okay, rational numbers, third main. Look, rational numbers, first and second main we revised. Who was absent yesterday? Not yesterday. Saturday? Who and all were absent?
Sir.
Okay, Ania also was absent, right? Ania, Kia, and that's it. Only 2 students. Fine. Do you all remember?
I was there.
You were present. Okay, fine, Ania. Kia, do you remember this 1A? These questions? Terminating
Yes, sir.
division. Okay, 1A and 1B revision is done. Inserting rational numbers. Half into A plus B, that formula. Okay, revise that on your own. We'll start with 1C. Fine, 1C I'll do. We'll revise 1C, and tomorrow or on Wednesday I'll give test students both together. Okay, before starting 1C, I'll explain once again. What's the time? 11:50. If not, all of you will rejoin, students. I'll end the meeting. Just rejoin. Okay, what do you mean by fraction, students? What is fraction? Anything written in the form of numerator by denominator. That is P by Q. Okay, usually they represent it as P by Q. Numerator by denominator, you call it as fraction. For example, 10 divided by 5. What's the answer for this? Yes, I want all of you to answer. Yes, unmute the call and answer all of you. 2, right? This is a fraction. When you convert, you get 2. 2 can be a natural number, whole number, even, okay, prime, composite, anything. So this is a prime number, or you can even call it as even number, whole number, natural number. 2. Next, 10 divided by 3. This is a fraction, right? 10 by 3 is a fraction. From fraction, you have to convert into decimal. Divide this 10 by 3 into decimal. What do you get? 3 3s are 9. keep a point is 0. Again 3 times are 9. It goes on, right? The value continues like this, 3.33. So fraction 10 by 3 is a fraction, 3.33 is a decimal, and what kind of decimal is this? When it repeats, what do we call it? Recurring decimal. Yes. Non-terminating. It is a non-terminating but recurring. It doesn't stop. Terminate meaning is to stop. This is non-terminating. In non-terminating, recurring. In decimal, we have three types: terminate, non-terminate, and under non-terminating, one never ends. The other one is recurring. 10.33. Okay, next. Look at this 10.33. Now 10 divided by 3. Isn't it in the form of P by Q? Numerator by denominator? P by Q, right? So 10 by 3 is a rational numbers. So what do you mean by rational numbers? What comes under rational numbers? All even numbers, all odd, then natural numbers, whole numbers, integer, fraction, everything comes under rational. Fraction, then perfect square numbers. Example, square root of 4, square root of 9, cube root of 64. What's the cube root of 64? 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. What is 4 cube? 4 cube is 64. If 4 cube is 64, what will be the cube root of 64, students? What's the cube root of 64? The answer is 4. Therefore, all the perfect square numbers, all the perfect cube numbers come under rational. Irrational numbers. What do you mean by irrational? Even recurring comes under rational numbers. Recurring also comes under rational. Irrational is nothing but non-perfect square. For example, square root of 5. Is square root of 5 perfect or non-perfect? Non-perfect square numbers. There is no answer to that. Non-perfect square. If you find, there is no direct answer. If you put this in calculator, it never stops, not terminating. It goes on. Root 5, then cube root of, we have cube root of 8. Is there answer for cube root of 9? Not square root, cube root. Do we have direct answer for cube root of 9? No. For cube root of 9, there is no direct answer. Therefore, even this is irrational number. Irrational, non-terminating. Then sometimes they might directly give you 3.34 dash dots like this. Is the number continuous or non-continuous? The number is continuing, right?
Continuous.
So yeah, continuous. So it should be terminating or non-terminating. It is non-terminating. Yes, non-terminating. All these are non-terminating values. See, only like this, students, directly they should give decimal. Directly if they give decimal, it comes under non-terminating. But if they give you 10 divided by 10 divided by, let me say 9. 10 divided by 9. How do you check whether this is terminating or non-terminating? How do you check this, whether it is terminating or not? Check the denominator, right? Denominator is 3 square. Is this terminating or non-terminating? Is it terminating or non-terminating? 3. 3 is not 2 and 5, right? Only 2 and 5 will be terminating, students. So 10 to the power of 3, 10 divided by 3 square will be non-terminating, correct? Non-terminating. But how is this given? Is it given in decimal type or fraction type? 10 by 9. Is it given in decimal or fraction? Fraction. Therefore, you shouldn't convert into non-terminating. You shouldn't convert into decimal. Whenever fraction is given, this is a rational number. 10 by 9 is rational. But if they tell you all to find whether it is terminating or non-terminating, then you change it. then you change the value, you get non-terminating. Okay, just because it is non-terminating, don't write 10 by 9 as irrational. That is wrong. The original form is 10 by 9, fraction. Any fraction value belongs to a rational number. This is where most of the students they go wrong. They do mistake. So anything given in terms of fraction that belongs to rational number. Okay, that belongs to rational number. Let's divide this 10 divided by 9. Okay, this is rectal. Hmm. Okay, let me write this. What's the answer for 15 divided by 7? What kind of number is this?
Non-terminating.
No, not non-terminating. Check, student. Check again. It is not non-terminating. Check if any combination is getting repeated. 15 divided by 7. 142857. After that, what is getting repeated?
142857.
Right? 142857. So 15 divided by 7. Now, don't convert this. Let it be in the natural form. 15 by 7. What kind of number is this? Rational or irrational? It has a it has p by q. So is it rational? Rational number. It is a rational. But when you convert it to decimal, we are getting what was that? 2.14. What was that? 2.142857. 142857. And this 142857 is getting repeated, recurring. So it is a fraction, and when you convert it, you get recurring value, recurring. Okay, so don't convert it. Before converting, just look at the original form. 15 by 7 is a rational number. It is in the form of p by q. Next, other things are recurring number is a rational number. Recurring number, that is directly they have to give decimal recurring value 3.14 dash like this. What kind of number is decimal is this? Terminating, non-terminating, recurring. Recurring. So when you give direct question like this 3.14 dash, it comes under not rational numbers. Write it as rational number. Okay, rational. Next 3.12 and a dash on this. Whenever you see dash, it is recurring. Direct decimal, student, look at the decimal numbers. Direct decimal, it will go in rational numbers. But if they give 3.14 dash on side, now is it terminating or non-terminating? What kind of decimal is this? There are dots given. Terminating or non-terminating? Doesn't end, right? Non-terminating. Yeah, this is non-terminating, therefore it goes in irrational numbers. 3.14 is irrational. Then there are two specific values I told you to remember. There are two special values you have to remember. Pi. Pi is rational or irrational?
Irrational.
Yeah.
Irrational.
How will you remember this? What did I tell? Can you see two lines given here? Like two lines and two R is given, right? Okay, pi meaning, yeah, pi, I'll teach you all when we do circles. For now, remember this symbol you call it as pi. Okay, pi, this is separate, not PIE, it's PI pi. And there are two lines here. Remember two lines, so two are irrational. Pi is irrational. 22 by 7. What's the value for 22 by 7? In which form it is given? No, no, no. In which form it is given? In which form? Isn't it P by Q? P by Q? Rational. So it is rational number. 22 by 7 is rational. See, original form is rational, students, 22 by 7. But when you try to convert the 22 by 7, look at it. We don't convert and check whether it's rational or irrational. Original form is 22 by 7. But when you try to convert into decimal, 142857. Can you see 142857 value is getting repeated, right? So we don't have to convert it. Whatever original form is there, according to that you write. So 22 by 7, P by Q is given. It is a rational number. Pi is irrational. There are two lines present and two R is present. Remember like this. Fine, that's it. We'll start solving the questions. Yeah, look at the first main. Classify the rational and irrational number. What is 5, students? And one more thing I missed out. When it comes to fraction, till here is it clear? Did you understand? Angel, Ananya, Ruth, Abigail,
Yes, sir.
who else is left? Okay, Delicia, Kia,
Yes, sir.
Ania. Okay, fine, students. Look here. All the numbers belong to rational numbers. Fraction. Let me take 5, or let me take -4, and let me take 37. Okay, what kind of number is this -4? Whenever minus is given integer,
Right.
no, forget about rational. Yes, they are rational. They are 100% rational. -4, integer, right? Can I call them integer? What do you mean by integer, students? What do you mean by integer? Integer will have negative, positive, and 0. No, all three together. Even 0 comes under integer. What about 5? Can I call it as positive integer?
Yes.
37 is also integer? Yes, I can call all three as integer. Now -4, negative number. 5. 5, can I call 5 as whole number? Whole number starts from 0, right? Yeah, I can say 5 is whole number. I can say 5 is a natural number. Is it odd or even? 5 is odd or even? 5 is odd number. 5 is a prime number. Same goes with 37. 37 is prime, odd number. You can call it as odd number, natural number. Or let me write 38. 38 is even number, composite. You can call 38. At the same time, -4, 5, and 38. If there is no denominator, what do you take? Usually, what do we take, students? When there is no denominator, what do you consider? 1. Remember this. So, can you see -4? We can convert into fraction, P by Q, right? 5 by 1? Yes, 5 by 1. If you divide by 1, if denominator is not given, we consider as 1. This we use it in LCM. In LCM, if denominator is not given, take it as 1. So 5 by 1 also can be written as P by Q, fraction. Anything written as P by Q is rational number. 38 by 1, again fraction, P by Q, rational number. Therefore, all these are rational numbers. That's the reason they have kept it under rational. Anything written in the form of P by Q. So only if numerator is given, don't get confused. You can add denominator 1 and you can solve. Look at the first question. 1C first question. 5 is given. Only numerator is given. What kind of number is this? Rational or irrational? I can divide it by 1.
Dash.
It's a rational number. All of you will answer this, students. All of you will answer. Look at the screen. Wait, let me minimize. I think in your textbook you all have already written the answers. Close the textbook, look at the screen and answer. Okay, first one is rational. Next, 9 by 14. What form is given? 9 by 14, P by Q, rational.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, root 3. Is it a perfect square? No, irrational. Pi, what is pi? Irrational. 3.1416. Is the number stopped or is it continuous? Is there any dots here? Recurring. I mean, not recurring, terminating. So, terminating comes under which one? Terminating comes under rational. I missed out here. See, rational, irrational. So for rational and irrational, terminating and recurring comes under rational. Rational, irrational. All terminating numbers or recurring numbers comes under rational. Non-terminating is irrational. Okay, root 4. What is root 4 answer? Yeah, 2. It is a perfect square, rational. Minus root 5, irrational. Cube root of 8. What's the answer for cube root of 8? 2. Rational. And you'll have to go through that, students. Go through that cube root, square root. Next, ninth question. Cube root of 3. Yeah, it's a non-perfect cube. Irrational. Next, 2 to the power of root 5. How much is 2 root 5? See, 2 is a whole number. 2 is a whole number. Forget about that. But root 5 is given. Root 5 is rational or irrational? So, entire 2 root 5 will be irrational. You have to check the entire value, not just 2, the entire value. Irrational number. Irrational. Okay, complete all this, student. Just write. Look at the question from the screen and write it in your book. The remaining value and the second main. Complete the second main and the remaining from the first main. Be quick. And this main is pending. Remind me later, not now. Let us finish trigonometry, then we'll continue with this. Third main is pending, students. Represent each of the following. All these are what kind of numbers? Root 3, root 5, root 6. Are they rational or irrational? All these are irrational. So rational numbers we know how to plot in number line. We revised it Saturday. Irrational numbers we didn't start this. I didn't teach you all. I'll teach.
Yes, sir.
Apart from that, fourth main. I think Anya, you were absent for fourth main, fifth main, right? Do you know how to solve?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, tomorrow we'll start fourth main. Square is given. We use a plus b square. We'll revise everything. And tomorrow 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll complete all this. Okay, 0.36 is what kind of number? 0.36 dash is given. 0.36 dash is recurring, right? Fine. 0.36 dash is given, students. What kind of number is this? Recurring.
Correct.
So it comes under rational numbers. See, direct recurring or terminating comes under rational. Next one. Next one is terminating or non-terminating. Do you, in your textbook, do you have 3 dots like this? Do you have dots?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, if dots are given non-terminating, it doesn't stop, therefore irrational numbers. Next, 2 by root 3. 2 is rational, but root 3 is irrational. So the entire value is irrational. Okay. P by Q is given, students. 2 by root 3 is P by Q. But that doesn't mean it is rational, it is irrational. 22 by 7. What about 22 by 7? Rational. It's in the form of P by Q, rational. Okay, do one thing. Try the second main. Second main for homework. And from trigonometry, I had given you all 2 questions. Will you all try this for homework? Entire second main. Try it for homework, second main. And trigonometry, how many questions? I think 2 questions. Let me stop.